Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the first thing, before moving on to makeup is primaring the skin fine one. With the blue-in moisturizing, apply my help create a smoother skin surface moisturizing, pure and fine line. So we can move on to our favorite foundation. For a while, I have been substituting my foundation. I use the Revlon Photoready Airbrush foundation. Blend foundation with fingers. Dab it on my face. That is technically Peri is not meant for foundation. Next, I am going to use my NYX Sculpt and Highlight Face Duo. I am going to just apply that into the tip of my nose. Of course, into right at the hollow of my cheek. Into my hairline, and then blend it out for like more natural and soft contour. I really like this cream brush color. This is a Peripera ink velvet color. And number 7. It look more like a soft rose or something like that. So what I want to do with this cream brush over my cheek, eyes and mouth. Oh my god, I'm into this brush so much. You must blend it and blend it. So I am just going to applying setting spray with Fresh Drop Pure Mineral Spray onto my skin and dab it on my face. So the next thing, I am going to set that with my Covermark finishing powder SJQYT and then blend it over on my face. Now, onto the brows. I am using 3D eyebrow tattoo. The color is medium brown. I use it with a brush and sort this after that. Just a little right fill into my eyebrow, not too intense. Alright, it's time to move on to the eyes. I use NYX Avails Vigo Liquid Highlighter. The color is Gold Rush. It's a good shimmer cream eyeshadow. I'm using my finger for blending it. I am going to apply a green color to the actual lid. It is so easy for everyday looks. Next step, I am taking a NYX Scoop and Highlight Face Duo, a rainbow color. So I am just going to work this up to my crease and then start blending it with the fingers. For the next thing, using an eyeliner in the black color. Carefully line your upper lash, making sure to stay as close to the last line as possible. It's time to plug them. Lash hold your lash cover for a few seconds on each eye. Now you can take your favorite Stitch Back mascara. I use the Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. The color is black, and place it over your lash to complete the lashes. And then I am going to put some MAC Studio Fix Color Plus foundation on the highlighter area over my face. Next, I am going to bronze my face. I use it at the hollow of my cheek, shading off my nose, jawline and hairline. Ready to brush. With a shimmering piece is MAC Shimmer Brush. The color is Spring Scene. Load it up with your brush and locating your cheekbone dust the brush all over this area, building up color. Moving to the lipstick, I use Peripera Ink Velvet color number 7 and blend it after that. This is a perfect lipstick matte. Colourpop. The color is deeper. Apply this onto my lip. Now, it's time for some glam and you can play the lining. Yes, I said just a very natural and little matte. If you enjoyed this video, please do give a thumbs up and leave me comment, let me know what you like about it. As always, thank you so much for watching. I love you.
Yeah.